Hello everybody. Gonna make my own little QR code here. Been doing it for a while, and I like this software here. It's on Android because most of them give you a QR code, and when you scan them 3 months later, it'll bring you up like a carton of milk or something. This one kind of keeps it to its own. It is $1.99 a month. I made all my QR codes in a month, and then every now and then I need some new ones, so I renew. But this is the one on here. I'm going to open it. I already got it downloaded. Subscribe for a month. And even if you cancel, it goes on for another month. Then you're going to need a code. I'm going to use my YouTube account. You're going to want to go find your link somewhere. Here's mine. I'm going to click here. I was just watching breastfeeding to show people that there is board on there. That's great. Here. Go to your home page, your channel. Click on the top right, click share. All you need is a link. There we go. Gave me a link. You can make a link for anything. If you want to joke around with one of your friends and make it a dirty site, you can do that. There's all kinds of stuff in here. I'm just showing you how to make one real quick so I can make a quick video. Let's see if we can change the color a little bit. Oh, you can even change the color. That's nice. Didn't know you could do that. So logo. You want to go get a photo. I'm going to do downloads. I don't have a photo, so I need to go get a photo. Gonna go to Bing. I was looking up car wrecks earlier, I guess. Let's look up YouTube. He'll bring me up a nice little photo, and I can put any of these in the middle that I want. Download that. It says download started down there. Go back to my QR code. Now it's under my downloads, and it's going to make you crop it. I choose to leave it big. There, put YouTube right in the middle. Then you click at the top right, save, and there you go. You can save it, share it. That will be, notice it says YouTube right there. It will be under my photos now, which is under here. And there it is, along with all the other ones I've made. I have quite a bit on here. And there's the QR code. Basically free. $1.99 isn't bad. I know there's free ones, but I've been using the free ones, and after about a month or two, the QR code really doesn't hold, and it will scan you into something different than what your site is. So I trust this one, and yeah, hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.